Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upload a design from Canva to Acuity Scheduling sites. First, head over to your Canva design that you want to upload, and in here, click on the share button at the top right and choose on download. Here for the file type, choose on PNG, or you can go ahead and opt for JPG. Now just select the pages that you want. For here, I'm gonna choose on just 1 to 5 pages and click done. Now just go ahead and download it. After downloading, open the file, go to your file and right click on it and select on extract all. Then extract. Now you have your Canva design in PNG. After that, go to your Acuity Scheduling account and once inside, on the left panel, click on Scheduling page. Now go to Settings. And in here, under the Scheduling page instructions, you will be able to upload your design. Click on this Insert Image and choose your file. Now just upload the first photo of your design. And there you have it. After that, just go ahead and add in a space. Now click again on Insert Image and choose File. Then choose the second one of your design. And as you can see, it is now here. Just go ahead and do that to your other photos or design. And in the right panel, you can see the preview of it. So if you don't want those spaces, you can just go ahead and remove them from here. But if you want to add one, just go ahead and add in a space in here also. Now you can go ahead and expand the view so you will see how it looks like. After that, scroll down and click on Save Changes to apply. Now if you go ahead and view it live, you will see your Canva design integrated to your Acuity scheduling site. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.